Hey guys, it's Info Girl. Let's get right into it. So today we have a lender by the name of Discover. Now, of course, Discover has multiple different credit cards, okay? What they have is the cashback credit card, the student cashback credit card, the secured credit card, student Chrome credit card, the travel credit card, gas and restaurants credit card, and of course, the NHL credit card. But today, specifically, we will be talking about the secured credit card. Now, the good thing about this card is there is no hard impact on your credit score whatsoever for pre approval. But of course, if you do accept the terms and the conditions, there will be a hard inquiry on your credit report. Now, they do report to all three credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And the good thing about this card is there is no annual fee whatsoever. Now, they do require a $200 security deposit, but that is refundable after 7 months of making your payments on time. And they do a limit increase up to $2,500 after 6 months. Okay. Now, they do offer rewards. They have earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to 1,000. Okay. They have earned unlimited 1% cash back on all your other purchases automatically. Okay, now they do also have the 2 times cashback. You get unlimited dollar for dollar match all of the cashback you've earned at the end of the first year automatically. So I will highly suggest this credit card if you have a low credit score, no credit score, out of bankruptcy, any circumstances, I will highly suggest. And if you do have a 500 and above, definitely recommend. And of course, if you guys like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.